all my budgeting buddies. Today I'm going to be unstuffing my expense binder. So as you can tell, I have a little bit of a different scenery. I'm actually doing it on our coffee table in the living room just to change it up a little bit. So I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm going to go ahead and start unstuffing my binder. So for rent, I'm going to unstuff $350. For my Mini Cooper, I'm going to be unstuffing the 135, I believe. Let's see, 100, 120, 130, 135. For Progressive, I just paid $70. Let's put all this money up. So that's 50, 60, 70.
Let's see, 5, 10s, 20s, 50, and 100.
All right, and for AT&T, that's actually a part of the rent. So I'm gonna put that money up. That's 20, 40, 45, and 50. For credit cards, I paid $153. So that's 100, 50, 51, 52, 53. And now, speaking of credit cards, I now only have $1,200 left to pay on my credit card. And what I'm gonna do is do bi-weekly installments of $200 every single payday. So I am looking at about at least 3.5 months, and that $1,200 will be taken care of. And then I'll start working on my Affirm. And then after I get my Affirm squared away, then I'll start working on my my debt collections. For Self, I paid $50. So that is 20, 25, actually let's do like this, 20, 40, 45, and 50. All right, and for food, we actually went a little bit over. I did 138, so that's actually not too bad. Because I had a budget of 136, so 100, 120, 130, 135, 136. So that's not too terribly bad. And we got some pretty good stuff too, so stuff to make a lot of meals with. So for fuel, I haven't got gas yet, which my gas light actually came on whenever I was coming home from work today. So I have to go get gas later on today. And then for household, I haven't bought anything. And also for pets, I haven't bought anything. All right. Today I'm going to be shouting out Debi has a budget. She's really, really nice. You guys go check her out and subscribe if you haven't already. She makes really, really cool videos on there about budgeting, and she does really cool saving challenges and things. Go check her out and tell her that Ryan sent you guys. And I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me. I had fun hanging out with you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.